Hi everyone, so I'm doing open door spin, throwing wet towels and this. So let's get started. I'm gonna throw them at full spin. So yeah, I'm gonna get a lighting too. Hope this is better. So this is Pestle made. Sadly, it doesn't do this low ramp up. It doesn't have it. It also does low levels. So it's quite sad. I'm gonna sell it because I don't like it. So yeah, this is the last test on it. Like, it doesn't do the fast ramp ups, it just does like vessel. It doesn't do like the ramp up the old models used to do. So yeah, it's going out. I got it for 25 euros as this was going out. Like, the metal bar on it was just loosened. I just tightened it up and I got it all working. Cleaned it because it was moldly to hell. Everything. The drywall also was dirty. It's not better, not the best, but yeah, you can see. It's not the fagor's ramp up, I swear. 100. I want 1200, please. So yeah, let's keep this in terms. Yeah, that's the full 1200. Yeah, that's 1200. Let's get started. I don't have that much clothes. And the big one. Oh. Why is this shaking a lot? Let's release it. Hope the spider doesn't explode. Doesn't break anything because I have to sell it. Right. Nope. Why is it so ugly like that? Why did the glass shatter a lot? Why did it stop? I hate it. I don't like it. It's shit. It's utter shit. Like, it doesn't even work, the configuration mode. It doesn't work. I wanted to do 1600, but yeah, no. Let's act like nothing happened. I'm also gonna leave some clips like ambulance spins. So yeah. Hope you like this. Bye. It's not gonna spin anymore. Nice. Oh. Bell just gone. This has to be a joke. It's not a joke. Why is it like trying to spin again? What the fuck? Yeah, it's shit. I hope the bell didn't broke because like I don't have any more bells. Well, I have, but I don't know if they will make them. Guys, it's spinning. Hold on. Laugh at it. Let's fix it. So, I found out it has a plastic pulley, which it shouldn't. It should have the metal one. Quite disappointed because it was like a dream machine from my childhood, and it's made by Bristol. Let's check the belt. Yeah, so it's therefore made by Bessel. It uses Hutchinson belt, the 5PGE1163, which is by Bessel. Here are the serial numbers: 13184. And I think nothing more. But yeah, disappointed, honestly. Quite disappointed. So it's back, but I can't find the motor information, which is rare. I don't know, but it's rare. Huh? Let's see here. It's working. Well, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.